Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open your phone's App Store and search for Microsoft Outlook. Tap Install or Get and wait for the app to download. When the app finishes, open Outlook and tap Get Started to begin setup. Choose Add Account when prompted to enter your email address and password. If you use an organizational account, choose Work or School and follow any extra authentication steps. Grant the app permissions for calendar and contacts when the prompts appear so sync works correctly. Enter your email address and tap Continue to let Outlook detect settings. If Outlook finds settings automatically, confirm them and enter your password when requested. If prompted, choose a map or exchange depending on your account type and organization requirements. For exchange accounts, complete any multi-factor authentication steps your organization requires. Turn on Sync Contacts and Sync Calendar to keep everything updated across devices. Choose Notification Preferences so you get alerts for new mail and important calendar events. Check internet connectivity and switch to Wi-Fi if mail fails to send or receive. Restart the app and your phone to clear temporary issues before advanced troubleshooting. If sync errors persist, remove and re-add the account to reset connection settings. Verify server, port, and security settings for a map or SMTP if manual setup was required. Adjust sync frequency and download settings to conserve cellular data or to speed up synchronization. Enable background, app refresh, and battery permissions so Outlook can fetch new mail reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.